Alright guys, I'm going to race my horse. Let's go. How many minutes is that? 20 pesos. Oh. Let's go. Go. As you can see guys, I'm riding the horse. Let's go. How many minutes is the game?
May tanan.
Kira, atlas ito. Let's go.
Nahulog ang kwarta.
No, the money is dropped. Take dito yung. Oh, okay, let's go.
Yawa sa kita ka lang ito.
Let's go, yo, let's go. One. Yeah, tigidig. Yo. Yo. Yeah, tigidig. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Come on, Robert. You can do it. You can do it, Robert.
Buka to. Kaya mo na yun.
Come on, I'm 72 kilos. Let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. No, the horse is low, but come on.
Yaw.
Come on. Oh.
Sa kita ka lang ito.
The horse is broken. Okay, guys, I'm the horse now.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi na, mahulog.
Oo.
Go.
Hilog kamay.
Go. Okay.
Napagay ko, no? Tuhod, sakit niya yung tuhod.
Sakit ka dito. Hindi ko alam ito.
My cohort hurt. I can't do it. Oh.
Flying high.
Go. Monster. There's a monster in the box. Let's go.
I can't do it.
Wala.
Magkabot.
Yo, teka, wala ka.
Let's go, guys. Let's ride my horse. Okay, let's go. Wow, yeah. How many minutes is that? 20 pesos.
Para to 22 seconds pa.
Yeah, let's go. Take it. Come on. Show Jan. Oh. Let's go.
Ayan, nag 3 minutes ay gamay rin ng 3 minutes. Mga 20
Yo, di ba sakit ang tuhod yung buwam? How many minutes is this? Let's go.
Wala pa rin
Come
1 minute.
on.
Wala pa kabot.
I'm riding my
Wala
horse.
pa kabot ha.
Yeah, ano yun? Quick.
Ari raw.
Di makita yung buwan.
Dili makita mo.
Dol gamay. Let's go. Thank you po. Pakita yung labot.
Yo.
Gusto na. Yagan. Hey, Goldie. Nahulog ginoon. Let's go. How many minutes now?
1 minute pa. 1 minute.
So na.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.
Salizar.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Uy. Uy.
Wala. Nakahinay ng kisuway pa.
Wala, extend. Extend. Ayun niya. Extend.
2 minutes.
5. Extend na yung may money. Ay, may time.
2 minutes lang. 2 minutes.
Extend. Tick. Oh, extend. Come on, let's go.
Wala, mga
Yeah.
3 minutes.
Yun na.
2 minutes and 18 seconds.
Go, nakahinay naman eh. Go. Magbasa sa matad. Hello? Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Naguba na guys. Tumba. Hinahulog. Wala pa natumba. Wala pa nalubat. Agahe pa guys. May mahagbog ano eh. Oh, it's a very... Ang nakita ko, nalagkitan. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, napiang, boss.
Sakit, oy.
My thighs are very tight. Alright, guys. As you can see, we are very struggling with our challenge. As you can see, how's the feeling? Jan. How's your feeling? What?
Bali. Crack. May tuhod.
You got a feet fractured because of me falling. And Robert, how's your feeling?
May June. June. June.
My toes is my toes.
My knee.
Knee. My knee is
May knee.
Your knee is what?
manhid.
Because
Sakit,
there is
sakit.
no...
There's a pain. My knee
no
is
foam.
have a pain because of the floor.
And me also, guys. So, as you can
Our
see,
floor is plywood. It
Jan is a very strong horse
Strong.
than Robert.
is
So, maybe soon we can get some
energy
foam.
good.
Okay.
Energy.
So, please subscribe to Robert's channel, guys. He has Robert YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel again?
Robert Daily Vlogs. Pero wala pa akong content. Wala pa akong content na nagawa.
English.
But I don't have a fitness content in my channel.
So, please support his channel, guys. Robert
Yes, because
Fitness Vlog.
yes.
Okay. So, and Jan also will create soon. Okay? So, until next time, guys. See you for the next vlog. Bye-bye.